Hi, my name is Bob Babcock, and I run the SKYLINE Cloud Services by Uni-Data. I want to welcome you to the first webinar of the Rainmaker program, which was named for people that get things done, like in the old movie. Many of you have been affiliates with us for a while, some are new to the program, and I just wanted to let you know about some of the things that we've done in the last year in order to make it a better program and make it better for you as resellers to earn more money. First is to let you know some of our staff that's joined us in the time. I want to first introduce you to Richard Ropa, a man that many of you have known for many years. He was a leading IRP salesman in QuickBase and enterprise sales. Won a couple of awards on his own and big person in the community, but he's joined us as Director of Sales. With him is Kevin Anderson, who is our channel sales manager, and he's the person that's responsible for making you more successful and your point person for closing any kind of contact with your customers. Last, we have Kwame Stewart, and I don't say last because he's really the guy that will help you day to day on making sure that all of the service issues are there for you. Kwame is the telesales manager and the channel support manager. From there, I want to talk to you about the new platform that we're bringing on board, and we'll do. You'll see more about that in the next couple of weeks. What we've done is we've made it a much simpler self-service portal for your customers and for yourselves. So you can go in and change a password, add software to a user, take software off, and it'll be auto-provisioned to the user on the back end within a few hours, and working that down to a couple of minutes. So you can come in, you don't need to work with a salesperson. We're going to be creating stores that are dedicated to you and to your practice, and even with a white label capability to them. Beyond that, the person can go in and see all of the billing that's been done and who has what piece of software within their organization. So it gives everybody a little bit more flexibility, a little bit more capability, so that they're not constantly tied to a support desk. When we started this program 7 years ago, it was great to have hand-holding 24 hours a day, which we still do. Now we found that the market has kind of shifted towards self-support in things like cell phones and tablets and that sort of thing. People are more comfortable with the technology, so we're following that pace. What the new platform also enables us to do is take the software that you would use on a remote desktop for a number of years now and deploy it in any number of fashions. You can deploy it directly to your PC and have it run there and be tethered back as a rental license to your account. You could run it on a desktop in our environment, or even run it on a VDI platform somewhere else, virtual desktop, that would be. So, there's a lot of benefits to this new platform. The technology that we're ready to finally implement is called cloud paging, and it's revolutionary. It's like nothing you've ever seen, and you'll see it at the next big show that's coming up in the spring. Last but not least, I have to tell you about a June 1st price increase mandated by Intuit. They've raised prices on the rental products that we make available to you and your customers, and what we did, based on the urging from a lot of you, is take the opportunity under the guise of Intuit's price increase to raise our own prices so that we can give you guys a more robust commission on the same services that you've been providing. Again, that's going to go into effect on the 1st. You'll be receiving a little bit more information on that in the next couple of days, and the good thing is that everybody gets to earn a little bit more as a result of it. So those are the messages that I have for you now. We're going to do this every month as we introduce new product and that sort of thing into the mix. We're going to have some training from each of the pieces of software, and we're going to introduce you to another portal that we have that gives you guys the opportunity to show your thought leadership. It's called smallbusinessleadership.com. We've done it in partnership with the ASBDC, the American Association of Small Business Development Centers, and we can accept your white papers, your videos, and that on all sorts of different business process, so that when people are looking for that how-to answer, they find you, and then they have the opportunity to discuss with you anything further to help them grow their business. So that's it. That's what I got. So have a happy June, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.